I was introduced to gardening by my parents, and it's a good skill, life skill, that everybody should know how to do. And I'm a 2-time cancer survivor, so I'm organic. And I especially garden because I can control what kind of chemicals and fertilizers I put on my plants that I'm eating and consuming. This particular garden is fruit trees, and it's citrus fruit trees as well as some of the pitted fruits. I think everybody should garden. Hanging out, gardening, I think it's peaceful. I think it reduces stress, and I like the energy I get from it at the end of the day. I feel great when I'm done.